Hello, and congratulations on your acceptance to West Virginia University. My name is Richard Johnston, and I am a research pharmacologist at the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, which is adjacent to the Robert C. Byrd Health Sciences Center. I am also an adjunct associate professor at the West Virginia University School of Medicine and School of Pharmacy, and I am affiliated with two of the biomedical sciences graduate programs: cellular and integrative physiology, and pharmaceutical and pharmacological sciences. Our research focuses on two intertwined public health epidemics: obesity and asthma. Obesity is a major risk factor for the development of asthma, which is a chronic lung disease that is characterized in part by dyspnea, airway hyperresponsiveness, and lung inflammation. Because 50% of the population of the United States is projected to be obese by 2030, it is imperative that we understand the impact of obesity on the development and progression of a number of diseases, including asthma, so that the negative health and socioeconomic consequences can be mitigated. To that end, we utilize obese mice to understand the mechanistic basis underlying the relationship between obesity and asthma. Specifically, we are interested in identifying biological mechanisms by which obesity enhances airway responsiveness and lung inflammation following acute inhalation exposure to ozone, which is a common air pollutant, an occupational irritant, and a non-atopic asthma trigger. We hypothesize that increased circulating levels of pro-inflammatory adipocytokines in obesity prime the lung to be more susceptible to injury following exposure to asthma triggers such as ozone. During a rotation in our laboratory, you will become familiar with the measurement of airway responsiveness in mice using the forced oscillation technique. You will also learn how to quantify lung inflammation utilizing biochemical and molecular biological analyses. In a future dissertation project, you would assess the contribution of specific adipocytokines to the obese asthma phenotype in mice, utilizing experimental techniques drawn from a number of scientific disciplines. By the time you defend your dissertation, you will be able to integrate data from the level of a single molecule to that of an entire organism. As a mentor, I am deeply invested in the career development of my trainees, and under my mentorship, I would highly encourage and support your submission of extramural fellowship applications, pursuit of teaching opportunities, and service to your scientific profession, either at the local or national level. It is never too early to begin to establish your professional reputation, and these activities can certainly help you with that endeavor. In conclusion, I want to thank you for considering our laboratory for a rotation, and I look forward to hearing from you. And of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.